Session 2, Kitty versus toilet paper roll. He's at it again. Look at the mess he's been making with the toilet paper roll. Attack the kitty. Look at the mess, Kitty. What are you doing? I see you stashed a cracker in my blanket. What are you doing, you crazy kitty? What are you doing? What are you doing with the toilet paper roll? Look at the mess you've made. Wow. Kitty, kitty. Look at the mess. Take that cracker you stashed in my bed and put it somewhere else. There's all his little crunch and munch treats up there on the window ledge. And I noticed he's been stashing them in my bed. Kitty, you done with the toilet paper roll? Can I, get rid of it and clean up the mess now? Oh, you're gonna eat the cracker. But you leave crumbs on my bed, you messy eater. You're a messy eater. You're so dainty when you eat. I'd swear you were a girl, Kitty. We didn't know what Kitty was when we got him at 2 days old. But yeah, he's a boy. Thinks he's a cat. Kitty! Kitty! Hey, Kitty. He ignores me unless I have food. Actually, it comes when he's cold, but usually he smells outside. All the smells. It rained. We had a thunderstorm. Hey, Kitty, what do you smell? You smell the kitty cats outside? Kitty, you smell the kitty